Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made my juice out of these fruits. Here I have my tangerine, pere, called pear in English, then the apple. I'll be removing the back, the skin of the fruits, then and I will now blend them together to get my juice out of it. So if you want to know how I make this beautiful and nutritious, they are very high in vitamin, very high in vitamins. So let's go there to see how I made it out of it. Let's go there.